Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel English with Hassan 1, where we help you learn English smarter, faster, and with more confidence.
Let's practice English number 4. So the first question is write the pronouns that come after the verb. So we have 8 pronouns. So what is the first one, the second one? In the third one, we have 3 pronouns. And this is the singular form. And the next ones are in the plural form. We have 1, 2, 3. So remember what are the pronouns that come after the verb. So for you, you should stop the video here and write the answer. And when you're finished, you can go to the next slide. What are the pronouns that come after the verb? So the pronouns are very little words. So they have 1 letter, 2 letters, 3 letters, 4 letters. So if you finished, you can go to the second question. Now write the pronouns that come before nouns or adjectives and nouns. I repeat, write the pronouns that come before nouns or adjectives and nouns. So we have also 8 pronouns. The first one, the second. In the third one, we have 3 pronouns. And in the plural, we have 3 pronouns. If you don't know them, so go to your lessons and you can write them. It's not cheating, but it's learning. I don't call it cheating, it's learning. And another thing, if you find these questions difficult for you, you can ask for help. Your brother, your sister, mother, father, friend. So, because you are learning. This we call it learning. So if you have finished, you can go to the next slide. If you haven't finished, you need to stop the video here. So let's go to the next slide. In the next slide, we have write the pronouns that come before the verb. Write the pronouns that come before the verb. So we have also 8 pronouns. Because in English, we have pronouns that come before the verb and pronouns that come after the verb. So here, you need to write the pronouns that come before the verb. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.